Hey, what's up guys, Daniel here from Pharaoh's cave. In this video I was looking for something cool to make, so a friend told me, hey, why don't you make a wooden epoxy ring? And I thought to myself, wow, what a great idea. And this is how I made it. Make sure your piece of wood is big enough for your ring size and the wood you choose is hard enough to drill without breaking it. Also, you will need some pigments for your epoxy. Protect your eyes and be careful with the drilling. Check out the exact amount of epoxy and the matchable amount of hardener. I made 3 cavities for 3 different colors. Using a multi-tool definitely pays off and will make it perfectly round by clamping the ring and holding the sanding paper on it. But be careful, look what will happen if you push too hard. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Maybe we can fix it. I think, you know what? Epoxy is really nice to fix. We'll glue it. After gluing it together, you couldn't really see anything indicating that it was broken. Now the last step before polishing it is putting the last layer of epoxy, but this is not mandatory. You can leave it like it is and just polish it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and you liked how I made my rings. This one is for the little finger, this one is for the index finger, but not for me. This is for my mom. She ordered a little bigger one than a regular ring. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you liked that video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and see you next week.